Hi guys, so today we have Shreya Bhutani who joined our GS Prime program, and in spite of having multiple attempts or like 6 attempts, she managed to clear most of the rounds in PwC internal audit, PwC India, Deloitte USI. Also, she cleared all the rounds. She also did well in PwC risk consulting, technology risk, right? Technology risk, and in Accenture also in FP&A. So she will be sharing her journey. So all up to Shreya.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So, yes, I, like every CA fresher, I was also very confused, like which domain to choose. Now that we are a fresher and we have qualified as a chartered accountant and we have studied a lot, now we have this, cl- uh, we don't have this clarity in our mind, like which domain to choose, where to go, and we have no proper guidance. So just while I was scrolling my LinkedIn, I got to know about GS Ghanshyam sir and his new startup GS Prime. And I just went in his DM and I asked him about the program and the fee structure. And he very nicely attended to my problems and catered to it very nicely. And the way he talked to me and the way he responded to all my queries, I was pretty sure and clear that he'll be able to guide me in the right direction. So, when I joined GS Prime, I was very confused as to whether I've chosen the correct mentorship program or not. But truly today, it is totally worth it. I'm very happy with the efforts that Sir puts in. And yes, I can surely assure you that your money will not be wasted. So, starting with my journey with GS Prime, I had initially done, he sir initially helped with everything with my resume building. In fact, for a certain period of time, I wasn't able to focus on my studies and everything because of a family issue. Still, sir pressurized me to focus on things and leave those things aside so that it is a crucial period for me to get a job. Since the number of vacancies in the market is less as compared to previous years, and yes, the number of attempts that I have taken is also more, which is initially a very big criteria for shortlisting. Still, I managed to bag offer letters from PwC Internal Audit, PwC Technology Risk Assurance, and Deloitte USI Stat Audit, Accenture, FP&A, which are like the dream companies that I always wanted to join. So, starting with my journey at GS Prime, I started with everything: my resume building, Naukri profile, and my LinkedIn updation. Sir helped me with everything. He guided me. He gave me so many formats and everything. Like he took, he gave me guidance like an elder brother. No biasness, nothing. Like he helped me at each step, where to go, what to do, and you can call him at any time. He'll pick your call, he'll take your questions, and he never gets annoyed. He will be there for you, he'll guide you what to do, what not to do. This was the initial stage. And when it came to my studies, actually, internal audit was a profile that I had never done. And truly, it's because of Sir efforts that I could bag these offers today. Because he gave me so much of practical knowledge about internal audit that today I could present myself so well in front of the interviewer. Not just the technical knowledge, he also helped me with the behavioral questions and the case studies, which helped me pass on my and clear my director round and my HR interviews, which are really very important, at which can be an elimination step also. He helped me with the Versant test also. He gave me videos and he took my mock interviews. He also pinpointed where I was going wrong. He used to scold me when I was not studying. So he like put in so much efforts, and the amount of efforts he takes in with his every mentee that enrolls into it, that these efforts are really worth it. Compared to the amount that he charges for it, the efforts that he put in it are really commendable. Whatever companies have backed on today is just because of his efforts only. So, yes, I can assure you that his efforts are worth it. It may sound like initially that he'll scold you, but that's for your benefit only. And this journey is really not very quick and not very fast. It takes a lot of time because you have to be patient with it. Because initially, seeing people around you who are getting into job, who are landing into their jobs, you will feel like कि मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, like why am I not getting it? But yes, you have to be patient. You have to go the way sir asks you, and then only the sir will guide you in the right direction. You have to be patient with him. You have to be patient with yourself and the company as well. There have been times when I have called sir so many times that मेरा offer letter नहीं आ रहा है, sir मेरा ये नहीं हो रहा है. But sir used to tell me, wait, it will be there, it will be there, you will go through it. He used to take my n number of mock interviews, which have really helped me. In fact, he doesn't only work on your technical skills, he'll not only provide you the technical material, he'll himself let you know how to study that material. He'll make you learn that material, mug up that material in the class and the session itself, which is really very good on his part, because we as individuals who studied so much during our CA professional journey, it's really difficult for us to study again now. But now the time is not to study everything, to not to work hard, but to work smart. And he guides us in the right direction how to work smartly. So yes, this is it for me. And yes, if I can do it, you can do it too.
You so much. I think this will motivate a lot of CA freshers. A lot of CA freshers actually come to me that I have multiple attempts and can I clear the interview? I have say, okay, attempts is not a criteria. I've seen first attempt chartered accountant, even rank holders not doing well in the interview preparation because they get relaxed. Okay. So compared to somebody who has less attempts, I think somebody who has more attempts, yeah, is much more proactive and much more serious. The only thing that I think most important thing is that you should not get demotivated by the number of attempts. Rather than getting demotivated by the number of attempts, you just have to make sure that you become more knowledgeable than the peers around you. Now, knowledgeable in sense of communication, personality, mindset to sell, and CC speaking such fluently. Okay, earlier it was not that great. Yeah, that is also the thing. So communication, personality, and technical and mindset to sell, as long along with it the practical knowledge of the domains that you have not done in your article C, because in the article C hardly you will find somebody who will be doing all the stat audit also, internal audit also, even direct or indirect taxation or transfer pricing. Now we are guiding you not only in one domain, but we are guiding you in all the domains, which domain you would like to go into. And I will, on the basis of a number of attempts and your capability, I will try to guide you in the, and knowing your long term and short term goal, what will be your best suitable for somebody wants to get into practice, or somebody wants to do coaching or something, or somebody wants to have a location constraint. That Shreya had a location constraint also, she wanted in Gurgaon, right? So you might have a lot of constraint with your priorities might be there. So according to priorities, I will also help you with the career guidance. So that is very important. Accordingly, we will help you with the resources, because if you I'm not giving you a career guidance, then you will be again you'll not be performing that the way you should be doing. So career guidance is something which we will be working hard. Once the career guidance is set, then we can accordingly help you in getting the job very quickly, because the only thing that then it is required is the preparation level. For preparation level, I think motivation is something is very important, because even Shreya had the same problem. क्या मेरा हो जाएगा क्या? That comes okay, because initial level सबको डर लगता है, और स्पेशली मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट होने का तो ज्यादा ही डर लगता है, कॉल भी आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. कॉल तो सारा देखिए आ ही गया था, और सब मोटा मोटी मेरे ही यहाँ से आए ऑलमोस्ट.
Yes.
ठीक है, कॉल्स आ ही जाता है. एंड सी इन आवर ग्रुप इज दैट वी कलेक्ट ऑल द HR IDs, तो कॉल आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगा. कॉल विल नेवर बी अ प्रॉब्लम. पीपल से कि कॉल कॉल आके आप क्या कर लोगे उससे है. मेनी CA फ्रेशर्स राइट इन LinkedIn, लुकिंग फॉर जॉब, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर जॉब, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर जॉब इन बिग फोर. आपका बिग फोर का कॉल आ जाएगा, आपको लग रहा है आप इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर देगा. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. को लग रहा है आप इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर देगा, कॉल आ भी गया तो. कॉल आना बड़ा बात नहीं है आज का डेट में, कॉल आना इजी है. सबसे डिफिकल्ट काम है इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना, बिकॉज
And
कॉल
that too, so many levels of interview. Actually, the difficult
5
task
राउंड्स
is
ऑफ
if you
इंटरव्यू इन
clear.
Deloitte. एंड वी ग्रिली ऑल्सो नो.
Deloitte
मैं
has
आपका
taken.
मॉक इंटरव्यूज लेता हूँ तो मैं एज एन इंटरव्यू एकदम पूरा इंटरव्यू का तरह लूंगा. एज अ ब्रदर एंड उसका तरह नहीं लूंगा. एज अ इंटरव्यू, तो उससे आपको काफी कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाता है. आई विल क्रॉस क्वेश्चन यू सो मेनी टाइम्स सो दैट यू गेट कॉन्फिडेंट. एंड वहां पर मैं आप जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे हो कोई चीज का, तो उसमें कैसे करना है. तो इंटरव्यूअर का हमको पता है किस तरीका का सवाल पूछ सकता है, किस तरीका का इंटरव्यूअर होगा. तो मॉक इंटरव्यू इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मेनी पीपल आस्क मी ओके कैन आई गेट मॉक इंटरव्यू. विदाउट आपके नॉलेज के बिना मॉक इंटरव्यू क्या करोगे देखे. Without knowledge, what you will do with the mock interview? Without the practical knowledge, you don't have done anything in article C. आपको करना है बिग फोर इंडिया एक इधर का इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना है, आपके पास प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं है, आपका मॉक इंटरव्यू क्या ही ले हम. थोड़ी ना यहाँ पर मैं करंट अफेयर्स चल रहा है कि आपको हम ले लेगा कुछ भी, आपको तो पहले रिसोर्स देना पड़ेगा। मेनी पीपल आस्क मी एक्चुअली, कैन आई गेट योर मॉक इंटरव्यू, कैन आई गेट योर मॉक इंटरव्यू? फर्स्ट यू नीड द रिसोर्स also to study, right? Because I train you not only in internal audit or state audit or taxation, I guide also managers also, assistant managers also in FDD, financial due diligence, transaction advisory. First you need the resources also. You need the resources. आपको रिसोर्स चाहिए, आप पढ़ोगे, आपको टाइम चाहिए पढ़ने का, एंड देन आई विल टेक ए मॉक इंटरव्यू। नहीं तो आपका भी मतलब वो हो जाएगा कि भाई हमको कुछ आता ही नहीं है। आप पढ़ोगे फिर हमको मॉक इंटरव्यू दोगे, फिर हम आपको बताएंगे
Yes,
भाई
yes.
यहाँ पर मैं
Actually,
इम्प्रूव
you need
करना
to
है।
invest. Yes, you need to
हाँ,
invest in yourself. You need to, like, sir can put in efforts on you only when you are ready to do those efforts on yourself first. You need to invest. Like, even myself, I have literally sat down for like 2, 3 nights, 4 nights, and completed my study first, and then I started giving my mocks, because you won't feel confident unless you study the technical part first. And आधा अधूरा पढ़ के you won't be able to get that satisfaction level. Sir used to ask me, I used to sneak out from sir's session कि I need to study, I need to study. Sir used
मैं
to say
बुलाता था
me
आपको,
also कि why,
कितना बार
हाँ,
बुलाया मैंने। हाँ,
हाँ, but I used to tell sir कि I'm out, I'm this, but I used to be studying actually, because I used to feel कि if I don't study myself, or if I don't cover it up myself, then I won't be able to give my mocks very quickly. Then sir used to ask me questions, and he used to tell me the techniques to study in the mock session itself only. So yes, that has helped me a lot. And sir is really very motivating. He has helped me not only professionally, also he told me like how I can improve myself as a good professional also.
right. I think 2 or 3 problems any CA fresher or any job seeker faces is the English speaking also. So many people don't have the best of the English. Many CAs are from Hindi medium, Bengali medium, or Gujarati medium, all mediums. So these people also get a lot of problem during the interviews I have seen. So if this is a problem, you should be taking our program. Now, if you are somebody who has a problem with learning, okay, he does not have the great memory, देन ऑल्सो यू शुड बी टेकिंग, बिकॉज अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता चीज तो आपको याद करने का स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं पता एक्चुअली में। अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता तो मतलब आपको याद करने का स्ट्रेटेजी आप सीखा ही नहीं कभी लाइफ में। एंड व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू राइट इन एग्जाम, सीए फाइनल एग्जाम, तो आपको सोच सोच के आप लिखते हो। जब आप बोलते हो इंटरव्यू में तो आपको एक भी बार में बोलना पड़ता है आंसर को। इट्स एन ओरल एग्जाम फॉर यू, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? दैट ओरल एग्जाम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जो ओरल एग्जाम होता है तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि दिस इज
Actually,
इंटरव्यू।
wait, the
हाँ, हाँ,
transition is from like writing exam to the road. Even writing, we know what we are writing. We can write
हाँ,
even extra. But
हाँ,
in the
यहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रा नहीं
interview,
बोल
we
सकते।
can't even speak
हाँ, हाँ,
extra,
हाँ।
because from those
क्रॉस
only
क्वेश्चन नहीं
things that
पूछेगा,
you speak,
इलैबोरेट नहीं कर सकता है,
cross
बोलेंगे
question will
इलैबोरेट
be
कर,
from,
क्रॉस
yes,
क्वेश्चन होगा, कितना बोलना है वो सब
yes.
आपको जानना
So
पड़ता
you
है,
need to speak the
राइट?
exact words and choose
वी
your
पुट अ
words very
लॉट। हाँ,
wisely, because
हाँ, मैंने कितना सारा कंटेंट ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब में भी डाला है। मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में क्या होता है, सीए फ्रेशर्स का वो लोग ने कभी कोई कंपटीशन में भाग ही नहीं लिया होता, डिबेट, इलोक्यूशन, कोई भी राउंड नहीं किया होता है। मैंने भोजन का देखा है, उन लोग को पूछा टेल मी समथिंग आउट सेल, बोलने में लोग को दिक्कत हो जाता है। और वहां पर मैं आपको क्या बोलना है वो भी बहुत जरूरी है, क्या बोलना है एग्जैक्टली, क्या कीवर्ड्स बोलना है, क्योंकि आप जो बोलोगे उसके बाद ये क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करेगा। तो आपको क्या बोलना है, स्ट्रक्चर आपको जाना बहुत जरूरी है। यू नीड टू लर्न की व्हाट यू नीड टू से देयर, कि जो आप बोलोगे फिर वो आपको क्रॉस क्वेश्चन वहां से ही पूछेगा। आप कुछ भी बोल दोगे तो आप फंस जाओगे, फिर वो क्रॉस क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग का जवाब नहीं दे पाओगे। तो दैट ऑल्सो वी ट्रेन यू कि आपको कैसे करके क्या क्या शब्द का इस्तेमाल करना है, दैट रियली हेल्प्स यू, right? So I think this
yes,
session will be helpful, and there are other programs as well, okay? So there are other programs where there is not this type of, there will be no mock interviews, there will be no one-to-one training. So there will be a classroom structure, but there will be no personalized guidance, there will be no direction, there will be no homework, there will be no scolding, there will be no motivation. So what is your take on that? Means how should a CA fresher will be really get benefiting from those programs, even if they're cheap cost? Will they get the benefit? Because there will be no personal guidance. What is your take on that? Because
actually,
they fall in the
yes.
trap of interview preparation. They fall in the trap of interview preparation, but there is no interview preparation going on. It is just YouTube videos only that they are running, and you can already check in the YouTube same content. And second problem I wanted to interrupt, like the problem is they are giving you career options. A lot of career options have been sold to you, which are not even we are not eligible. Okay, like initially, okay, you also told me like I can get into investment banking, I can get into this, I can get into that. Okay, can I do this course and get into management consulting or private equity? You also had the same amount of doubts, right? Because can I get, I
Yes.
can do this course and I can get many people actually do still now, okay, I don't want this type of job, I want to go into this field, but they don't have any knowledge of any field, but they have only half knowledge, 25% का नॉलेज होता है, और उसमें आपको, और कोई आपको आपको सपना दिखा देता है कि रैंक होल्डर को मिलने वाला चीज है वो आपको दे देगा, जो आपका हो ही नहीं सकता, जो चीज आपका हाथ में वो भी आपका हाथ से निकल जाता है. तो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दोज थिंग्स? हाउ द सीए फ्रेशर कैन
Yes,
चूज द
sir.
राइट प्रोग्राम? यस.
Yes, sir. So actually, this is the only great thing that had attracted me towards this program, was that you get complete knowledge of every domain. Unlike other programs where you get only one domain knowledge, and for other domains you have to either get paid for it, or either talk to some other mentors, or like pay for other mentors. But over here you'll get domain knowledge of every possible domain that's available, and then you can choose on the basis of your like constraints you have, like maybe it may
I
be
will
a
guide you
10
better.
or
I will
12
only guide you
location.
which domain will be suitable for you
Yes,
according
and
to
only
your.
one mentor. Yes, and sir is the mentor himself, he's the guider himself, he does the mocks himself. So yes, his personal attention to every child is what makes this program more fruitful and more helpful.
Because many problem arises because, okay, if we have too many mentors are there, और आपका इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हो जाता है, तो आप किसको पकड़ेगा? पहले बात तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. आपका इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हो गया तो मेरे पास कॉल आता है एवरी डे, आई गेट कॉल नाउ ऑल्सो, क्या माई इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हियर एंड देयर. सो यू नीड टू हैव समबडी कि आपका इंटरव्यू आप पहले पढ़ के रख लेगा, आप इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल होगा आपको, फिर तो अचानक भी कुछ ना कुछ तो टिप्स चाहिएगा, कॉल चाहिएगा, मॉक इंटरव्यू चाहिएगा, हम लोग वो भी करवाने
Yes,
का कोशिश करते
so
हैं. दैट इज
so
वेरी मच
yes,
इंपॉर्टेंट.
yes,
और हर
yes, and
इंटरव्यू में
so
आपको कुछ
so
अलग पढ़ना पड़ता है.
hmm,
हर इंटरव्यू में अलग है.
so
ईवाई जीडीएस में कुछ
prepares
अलग
you.
पढ़ना है. हाँ, डिलॉयट यूएसए में कुछ अलग पढ़ना है, इधर कुछ अलग पढ़ना है. हर इंटरव्यू में कुछ ना कुछ अलग पढ़ना है, कुछ चीज पढ़ना है, कुछ चीज छोड़ना है. क्या चीज छोड़ना है वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. जान व्हाट यू नीड टू लीव एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू स्टडी, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज आप सब कुछ पढ़ने का कोशिश करें, कुछ याद ही नहीं रहेगा और बोल नहीं पाओगे. राइट.
Yes, actually. Hmm. Yes, yes. So sir will prepare you for your each interview very nicely. Like, and this approach that you need to study first and then get your call schedule is very, very correct. Because if you get your call scheduled, if you keep
हाँ.
applying, and if your call, it's better, you will get rejected. And so it's better you invest time in studying first and then get your call schedule. You will yourself feel more confident, like
Calls
I
हम लोग
am
शेड्यूल
today.
करा देते हैं. Calls is not a problem because we have so much of contact. So almost every time that will not be a problem in most of the cases. Call will never be a problem unless and until the market is very bad. But I don't think so. Call is a problem unless and until you're dreaming of such profile which only rank holder is getting those profiles. So we cannot help in those profiles. Many people come to me that I want to get into Dubai as a CA fresher. As a CA fresher, you cannot get into Dubai. If you are rank holder as a first attempt, and it's another issue. And why you want to get into Bahrain or Dubai or Saudi Arabia or any country as a CA fresher? So there is no clue what you need to do. So we guide you properly where you can actually eligible to get into. Exactly. Otherwise, हवा में बात करके कोई फायदा नहीं है कि एक मेंटर को बुला लिए और वो ज्ञान देके चला गया आपको, वो आपको डायरेक्शन दिया नहीं ना, आपको बताया कैसे जाएगा, बस ज्ञान दे दिया कि हाँ यहाँ पर भी जा सकते हैं, वहां पर भी जा सकते हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी जा सकते हैं, कनाडा भी जा सकते हैं. और चाह तो सकते हैं सब जगह, वो तुमको ही पता है, पर चाहेंगे कैसे वो नहीं बताता है. तो वो उसके लिए
Yes,
यूट्यूब देख लीजिए,
actually,
तुमको
when
क्या फायदा हुआ फिर?
yeah. Yes,
तो
so when
दैट.
I enrolled for this program, sir had told me कि you won't get guidance, but you will get direction from me, which actually is true. That guidance is available on the YouTube, everywhere, on LinkedIn, YouTube, all social media platforms. But what is not available is your guidance. So yes, sir, totally
हाँ,
will give you
डेडलाइंस
that
दे देंगे.
direction.
डेडलाइंस दे
Hmm.
देगी कि तुमको 2 दिन में क्या करना है, 3 दिन बाद क्या करना है, फिर फॉलो अप करेंगे. तुम करके नहीं रखेगा तुमको स्कोल्ड करेंगे. देयर इज अ डिसिप्लिन लेवल. इनफैक्ट आपको अगर कोई छुट्टी भी लेना है तो यू हैव टू इन्फॉर्म मी बिफोर इट, राइट? तो इनिशियल
Yes,
लेवल में
sir.
थोड़ा सा वो भी लगता है कि हाँ, आई एम ट्राइंग टू माइक्रो मैनेज यू, बट अल्टीमेटली
Yes,
इट इज बेनिफिटिंग यू ओनली. मेनी थिंग दे थिंक कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू
yes.
माइक्रो मैनेज, बट अल्टीमेटली देखो आपका अगर नौकरी नहीं लगता तो मेरा ही नाम खराब होता है कहीं ना कहीं.
Mm-hmm.
So we try to make sure कि we set a deadline for you, and if you're not able to meet the deadline तो you will inform me हाँ ये deadline है and we need to complete it. But deadline is the biggest motivation. इससे आपको भी अच्छा रहता है, मेरे लिए भी ठीक रहता है कि आपको पता चल गया क्या काम आपको करना है. I think this
Yes,
was
sir.
great. I think this meeting will really help a lot of CA freshers to take the right decision. And thank you so much, Shreya, for coming in and guiding a lot of CA freshers. I think you will be our mentor also for the long-term future, I feel. and we need much more good mentors in our program also, because I see a lot of CA freshers are getting misguided in the market. They're not getting the right training. Communication skill is a problem. Personality is a problem. So there are a lot of problem. They don't know how to do the audio video on. They don't know how to run a YouTube. Nothing. Zoom. They don't know even to how to on the video in Zoom. How to be professionally attired. So everything is a problem with many CA freshers. So we try to help you in each and every domain so that you don't feel any problem, whether it's communication skill or this skill or personality or technical knowledge or mock interview or confidence, or even you are
Yes.
not getting the contacts or networks or for getting the call. So all the problems are solved out here. The only thing which is we require from you is the hard work and the motivation. And last thing is the team
Yes.
spirit, that you will help yourself also and you will help the other members also within the GS Prime group, so that we can build a community and we help all the people. I think great. I
Yes,
think
sir.
I'm very happy that you came and give us the feedback. I'm very fortunate for that.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I would really help want you also help the other CFSs also in our community.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, sir. Thank you for guiding me throughout.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.